Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to insert a PDF into Google Docs. Before we get into the video, please subscribe to the channel as it really helps me creating content like this. So natively Google Docs doesn't allow you to insert a PDF into Google Docs. So I'm going to show you 3 ways on how to do this, or an alternative way on getting around this. So right now I'm going to create a PDF, and to create a PDF I'm just going to call this test, and what I'm going to do is come over here, come over to downloads, and I'm going to download this as a PDF. And as you can see, it downloaded as a PDF. I got 2 in here. I named one test, and it created another one because it duplicated it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come over to that download test PDF, and I'm going to open it in the file part. So I'm just going to click on the file, and it's going to show in the location it's at. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here and I'm going to copy this. So as you can see right now, it's over here, test1 PDF, and I'm just going to copy this. I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to come back to docs.google.com, and I'm assuming that you are signed into your Google Drive or your Google account in order to start docs.google.com. So I'm just going to come over here to a new window, and I'm just going to go to the Google homepage. I'm going to come over to the Google homepage, and I'm going to go to Drive. And now I'm just going to upload that PDF. So I'm just going to come over here. I'm going to go to File, Upload, and I'm going to search for that test, which is here. I'm going to upload it. I'm going to do a refresh so I could see it at the top right here. And now I have it at the top of my folder. And now over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to More Actions. I'm going to click on Share, and I'm going to copy the link. And I'm going to come over back to my Google Doc where I want it. And I'm going to put, I am sharing this PDF. Click here if you'd like it. So I could put click here. Okay, I could highlight this, click here. And now I'm going to click on this insert link, and I'm going to paste it and click on apply. So now every time that they click on this, it's going to open up this PDF. So I could click on it, and you could see that it's going to open up this test PDF. So I'm going to click on it, and you could see that it just opened it. So that's the first way. The second way of doing this is, let's open up this PDF. So I'm going to open it up. Here is the second way, because Google doesn't allow you to insert PDFs into Google Docs. All I'm going to do is do a screenshot of this. On a Mac, it's Command-Shift-4, and I could highlight it. On a Windows, you could just do a print screen and it'll copy it. So right now I'm just going to Command-Shift-4 and copy this. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to press return a couple of times. I'm going to insert. I'm going to upload it as an image. For me, it stores it in screenshots, and my last screenshot is here. And there you go. And then I've got my PDF here, which actually has been converted into an image. So the last way of doing this, of taking a PDF and putting it into Google Docs, is actually opening up Google Drive. It's similar to the last step, but what we're going to do is we're going to open up Google Drive. We're going to come over to Google Drive, and let's say you've uploaded a PDF. So you're just going to come over here, New, Upload, and then you're going to upload a PDF, or the PDF that you want. So once you have your PDF here, it could be any PDF, come over to the right, click on the 3 buttons, and open with Google Docs. And now it's going to dissect all of the information in your PDF into Google Docs. So once it's opened up in Google Docs, now you've got your PDF accessible in Google Docs. So that's it for the video. I hope you liked it. If you liked the video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one.